Meet the Planets with Katt and Mr. Joe. Brought to you by NASA at my library. Why, hello there. It's Mr. Joe. And Katt has been asking me all day to take him to the library. So here we go. And once we were there, Katt couldn't wait to start reading. And he found a book all about our solar system. When we got home, Katt raced all the way upstairs to our window and started looking really hard for all 8 planets. Oh, silly Katt, we're gonna need a telescope to see them all. But then I started to think, why not take Katt with me through a magical ride to all of the planets? 3, 2, 1, lift off. And here we go, Katt, on our magical ride through the solar system. And here we are, Katt, on our first stop, the planet Mercury, the closest planet to the sun. This planet is named after the Roman messenger god. Because it is so close to the sun, it can be really hot, but also it can get very cold. And Mercury is so fast that it can go around the sun in just 88 Earth days. Now off to our second planet, called Venus. That's right, Katt. Venus is named after the goddess of love. Venus is our hottest planet, even though Mercury is closer to the sun. And that's because Venus has such a thick atmosphere that it traps heat inside. And believe it or not, Venus has over 1,000 volcanoes, more than any other planet. So don't get too close. Earth, our beautiful blue home, so full of life. Our planet, named after no Roman god, just simply means the ground. Our home is the 3rd closest planet to the sun, and it takes 8 minutes and 20 seconds for that wonderful sunlight to reach us from over 93 million miles away. And not only that, water covers 70% of our surface. Darn, you catch some gnarly waves, brah. And here we are now, to our 4th planet, Mars, named after the god of war. That's right, Katt. Mars is a red planet because of all the red dust that covers the whole surface. And Mars has the tallest mountain in our solar system, called Olympus Mons. It's 16 miles high and would cover most of the country of France. C'est magnifique. And now, Katt, we're approaching a gas giant, the largest planet in our solar system, Jupiter, named after the king of all the gods. This 5th planet is so big that 317 Earths can fit inside, along with 79 moons that orbit the planet. And can you believe it, Katt? This red spot is actually a storm that has been going on for over 300 years. Our 6th planet, Katt, is called Saturn, named after the god of agriculture. Watch out for its rings! This planet has more moons than any other planet in our solar system. Saturn has the biggest and brightest rings made out of bits of ice, rock, and dust. We are really now close to the end, Katt, with the planet Uranus, named after the god of the sky. This seventh planet, with 27 moons, has a lot of ice. And Uranus holds the record for the coldest temperature ever recorded in our solar system, a minus 371 degrees. Brrr. We are now at the end, Katt, to the furthest planet in our solar system, named after the god of the sea. This bluish planet has 14 moons and is one of the windiest planets in our solar system, with speeds measured at 1,250 miles per hour. That was a really fun ride, Katt, and I hope you learned a lot of things. But now it's time to return home to the good old Earth. Ah, Katt, I think you've got the right idea here. After such a long trip, it's best just to relax. And I hope that you all learned something today as well. Thank you for joining us. Ciao for now.